There is a famous tourist attraction on an island in my country, the many splendored Philippines. It is actually a favorite one in the bucket list of not just ordinary tourists, but video content creators here and abroad. The name of the spot in the central location of the Philippine archipelago is man-made forest. Man-made forest. Pardon me if I am quite skeptical, but as far as I know, there's no such thing as a forest made by man. How do trees or environments become forest? In my own experience and the myriad of other people's experiences, I am pretty sure of one answer: with no human intervention. Good day, I am Bim Cab and you are watching BC Earth Live channel. Here is my story. I am here at the Araya Park, the nucleus of which is a forest area that was once a coconut plantation. It was an almost barren land devoted to single crop production. Now it is already a forest. So you see, not only trees, but a forest. This is already 28 years old. I started this forest with the planting of 70 plus mahogany seedlings, which I planned as a starter for an agroforestry system that I wanted to build in this state. And besides the mahogany timber species, I also intercropped certain shade-tolerant fruit trees like coffee, rambutan, and cacao. But after the planting, in 2 years, hard times caught up with me. I stumbled on this spot because I think I could no longer survive on that dream of the forest. So I went out into the city to seek a means of earning a living. I have been lost in the urban jungle for decades until in 2020 I came back to this place and was astonished at what had come up. I saw an amazing forest that has grown up on this spot that was once a coconut plantation. And by the way, I used some of the coconut trees on that time to build a training center. They were no longer as dense as they were before. And in due time, the coconut trees became very sparse. During the Super Typhoon Yolanda in 2013, most of the plants were demolished by the strong winds, and now it has grown up for a lot of years. There is one realization I got from this. It is that nature won't give up on the dream. Nature will regenerate, will recover, will sustain itself without human intervention, without the interference of the human mind with its plans and strategies, and of the hands that are prone sometimes to destruction. The site now teems with flora. Many wildlife species have come back, especially birds. The environment is a far cry in biodiversity from the land before that was strangulated by a single cash crop. The starter trees of 75 mahogany seedlings 28 years ago have not only risen up to the sky, but multiplied. Some endemic timber species that disappeared in the wake of non-stop commercial logging, aggravated by the conversion of private states into agricultural plantation, have once more emerged. Multiple food crops also have formed a second and third layer to the tall trees. The dismal sight of cocoon growth, spreading and outgrowing other plants due to the depletion of the soil's nutrient composition, has transformed into a cover of diverse vegetation. The evolution has shown that nature does not fail life on the planet. No human society can ever match, with its ceaseless building and rebuilding of an artificial world, the marvelous engineering of the natural biophysical environment, geared at sustaining life. No human system can equal the ecosystem's full support to the existence, growth, and continuity of every creature on earth. Whether or not folks like me shall eat in the next 5 years is blueprinted in the DNA of such living landscapes as a forest. Once upon a time, a hard-up mortal was buffeted by challenges to survival. He abandoned a dream without thought of coming back anymore, or hope of still seeing the vision come true in his grandfather's ancestral homestead. But nature didn't give up. For 3 decades, it nurtured the dream into becoming what is now a full-blown reality. Is there such a thing as man-made forest? In answer, let me quote the renowned Joyce Kilmer. Poems are made by fools like me, but only God can make a tree.